Looking for simple, quick ways to improve your finances? In just 5 minutes, you can take steps that will make a real difference in your wallet. Today, we're sharing 15 quick money tips that can help you save more, spend smarter, and build better financial habits. These are easy wins you can implement right away, even if you're short on time. Let's get started. Tip No. 1. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your general account to your savings account every payday. Even $10 a week can add up over time. This way, you save without thinking about it, making it easier to build your emergency fund or save for a goal. Tip No. 2. Check for subscriptions you don't use. Review your bank statements and cancel any subscriptions you're not using. You'd be surprised how much you can save by cutting out unused streaming services, apps, or memberships. Tip No. 3. Negotiate your bills. Call your service providers like internet or cable companies and ask for a better rate. You'd be amazed at how often they'll lower your bill if you just ask. This quick call could save you hundreds of dollars a year. Tip No. 4. Set up bill reminders. Late fees can add up quickly. Set up calendar reminders or use an app to make sure you never miss a payment. This helps you avoid unnecessary charges and protects your credit score. Tip No. 5. Use cash for discretionary spending. Withdraw a set amount of cash for things like dining out or entertainment. When the cash is gone, you stop spending. This simple trick helps you stick to your budget and avoid overspending on non-essential items. Tip No. 6. Review your insurance coverage. Take a few minutes to review your insurance policies. Make sure you're not over-insured or paying for coverage you don't need. Shop around for better rates, and you might find you can save without sacrificing coverage. Tip No. 7. Round up your purchases. Some bank accounts and apps let you round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and transfer the difference to savings. For example, if you spend $4, the app rounds up to $5 and saves the extra 50 cents. It's a painless way to boost your savings. Tip No. 8. Increase your retirement contributions. Log into your retirement account and increase your contributions by 1%. It's a small change you won't even notice in your paycheck, but it can significantly boost your retirement savings over time. Tip No. 9. Track your spending for a week. Take 5 minutes each day to jot down what you spend. Seeing where your money goes can be eye-opening and help you identify areas to cut back. Use an app or a simple notebook, whatever works best for you. Tip No. 10. Review your credit report. Check your credit report for free at least once a year. Look for any errors or signs of fraud. Correcting mistakes can improve your credit score, which can save you money on loans and insurance. Tip No. 11. Set a financial goal. Take 5 minutes to write down a specific financial goal. It could be saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Having a clear goal can motivate you to make better financial decisions. Tip No. 12. Plan your meals for the week. Meal planning can save you time and money. Decide what you'll eat for the week, make a shopping list, and stick to it. This reduces impulse purchases and food waste, which can save you hundreds over time. Tip No. 13. Review your budget. Take a quick look at your budget and make sure you're staying on track. Adjust any categories where you've been overspending and look for areas where you can save more. Even a 5-minute review can keep your finances in check. Tip No. 14. Use cashback apps and websites. Before you make an online purchase, check for cashback offers on websites like Rakuten or Honey. These sites can help you earn back a percentage of your purchase, which adds up over time. Tip number 15. Create a debt payoff plan. If you have multiple debts, spend 5 minutes prioritizing them. List your debts from smallest to largest or highest to lowest interest rate. Decide on a strategy, like the snowball or avalanche method, and start making a plan to pay them down. Remember, small steps add up over time. These quick tips are just the beginning. Implement a few today, and you'll see the benefits build over time. And always remember, this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. For personalized advice, consult with a financial advisor who can help you create a plan tailored to your situation. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more money mindset makeover content.